Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. And several years ago I came upon this little green miracle, this mineral that seemed to do so many things, and the more I researched it, the more amazing it became. And you'll see the data for this little green miracle. You'll see how I've used it and how I've prepared to be able to filter water not only for myself but for all the other people out there that will be looking for clean, fresh water sources after these events come to the earth. And it's my hope that you will take time to prepare not only for yourself and your family, but for your friends and for others who might need help. Now let's go over here for a second and let's look at the basics of what we need. I would suggest that everyone at least have coffee filters. I like these large coffee filters because you can fold them for multiple layers. A good supply of rubber bands, and I'll tell you why in a minute. You must have this PREPGREEN mineral material. The FDA registered it as generally regarded as safe. It's an amazing mineral. It can be used to filter water. It can be used to fertilize plants. It can be used to detoxify the liver. It can be used to treat wounds. They've done that over in Ukraine and the USSR. Again, all this information will be made available to you. Every family should have a supply of this product. And it comes larger grains that you see here that's ideal for water purification. And then you can also get it extra fine. And I'll show you in other videos how you can make it fine. I like the extra fine because I put it into gelatin capsules. And the gelatin capsules I use to detoxify my body. And if we have any radionuclides from any other nuclear incidents in the world, then was used effectively in Chernobyl to remove radionuclides from the body of both humans, animals, and they used it on plants, and it was fairly successful. Back here about what we need. I would suggest that you get the pre-filter media, which is this right here. This is easy to get. You can get it at almost any sand and gravel. The first one here that I suggest that you obtain is washed chips. The next is fine washed sand, 1 inch minus washed rock. And the reason that you're going to do this is that you're going to make a pre-filter here. And this pre-filter is just a 2-liter plastic pop bottle with the bottom cut off. And it's got a coffee filter that's been folded 4 times and affixed to the bottom with the rubber band. So if you've got any large particulates or large organics, you want to pre-filter your water before you put it through a water filter. And this is the way that you want to do it. You want to put it through a pre-filter. So you're going to have to get these things ahead of time. Now if you look here, you see some filter media material. And you can get this at any Lowe's, any Home Depot, and most any other hardware store that carries filters for swamp coolers. This is actually, pretty. I use it, and the reason why you want to use it is, again, as a coarse filter to capture any large organics, any large particles, so you could filter water out of a dirty river, dirty stream, or a dirty water source before you put it through the PREPGREEN filter media for fine filtration. And of course you must have a good supply of 2-liter plastic bottles, and these are easy. People throw these away. So this is my first video. I just want to give you an idea of what you need to get together to start this. In the next videos I'll show you how to make very convenient, very fast water filters, how to make portable water filters, and how I do it and how I've done it successfully. And it's my hope that you'll be able to share it and help many people by being